Welcome to this Anwyl Home demonstration. In this video, I'll show you how to access your consumer units and meter boxes within your new Anwyl home. You can locate your consumer unit in the downstairs of your property. Once you've opened your consumer unit, you'll find all of the designated trip switches, as well as the main switch, which is distinctly red. This can be used to turn all electricity within the house off in the event of any electrical maintenance. You'll be able to access your meter boxes with the key provided. In the electric meter box, you'll find the meter reading on the screen display, as well as the isolation switch. On your electric meter, the meter reading should be shown in the glass window without any red digits. In the gas meter box, you'll find your meter reading, as well as the stop valve in the event that you need to turn your gas off. On this Landis & Gyr gas meter, the meter reading should be shown in the window. If the screen is blank, press the red button A and the meter reading should show. For the Honeywell Cala gas meter, the meter reading is in the black section. Again, we don't need the reading in the red section. For the Cubix Cala gas meter, the meter reading is in the black and red section. I hope you found this Anwyl Home demonstration useful.